Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to run ads on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Craigslist.org website right here and log into your account if you haven't already. If you do not know how to log into your account guys, you want to go ahead right here and click this account button that you can see right here, and then you can either go ahead and sign up for a new account or log into an existing one already. So after doing that guys, now we can get started with posting ads. You will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Craigslist, where you can see all the categories of products that you can enter. And now let's go ahead and post an ad. So guys, to be able to do that, all we have to do is just go ahead and click the post button right here next to the account button, click on post, and now you can see that this will take us to select where we want to make the posting. East Bay Area, Peninsula, so on guys, City San Francisco. You can select what location fits best. Let's say this one. You can select what you are offering guys, maybe for sale by owner or some housing or job, something. Select whatever the option is, and you can select where you want to post it. So let's say we want to post it in antiques. So let's see, you have to post the posting title right here. You can enter in the price, whatever you want to make the price, and so on. Just enter in any price. And after that, you can enter in your postal code, the description, anything you want. Just go ahead and enter it here. And after that, go ahead and click on continue. After clicking on continue, guys, it will enable you to go ahead and post a picture along with your ad. And after you have posted a picture, guys, as you're going to go ahead and see right here, if this lets me go ahead and proceed, let's go ahead, click continue. And now we can select where we want to post it, click the location. I'm going to select this location right here, click continue, and now we can add images. And after we are done with images guys, it's going to go ahead and post it for right here. Just go ahead and click on publish, and it will also automatically run the ad. So yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.